Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Digital Ocean TV. I'm George Petrov and today I'm going to be showing you how to find clients on Facebook for your freelancing digital marketing clients or digital marketing agency. It doesn't matter. You can watch this short video and learn how to do that. So see you in a bit. We need to go to search in the search bar here on the left hand side on your Facebook account. Then under groups we need to search for the specific group that we're gonna join first. Of course, before all this, I will advise you to go and pick an industry. If you start in the beginning picking up an industry, specific industry, like let's say for instance e-commerce websites, or even go further like e-commerce beauty stores, right? And then you have a higher chance to get clients, because people want you to be specific. If they see that you are helping beauty clients, beauty e-commerce brands, and I'm an owner of an e-commerce brand, I'll definitely choose you as my freelancer or my agency. Of course, they don't understand that when you have a lot of experience with different brands, with different verticals, with small and medium and large size and businesses, you have more and more experience, right? And you can help them the best way possible, right? They don't understand this, so they need you to be in their niche, in their industry. And in my opinion, go and pick up an industry. In this case, I pick HVAC. I'll tell you to stay away from CPAs, bookkeepers, accountants, and those businesses are not very good for us. We are generating leads, then they're not able to close them. That's an experience. I'm talking from experience with more than with thousands of CPAs and bookkeepers. They're just not good clients. If you want to try, go and try that out. My bachelor's degree is in accounting, and I decided first to try them out, but I failed so miserably. So your case might be different, but that's my recommendation. Okay, next we need to type the industry. In this case, I've used HVAC. So you need to join those HVAC groups, right? What's important when you join those groups is to 2 or 3 weeks move forward slow and smart. Move forward smart, because admins, the moderators of those groups, are going to kick you out if they see any unusual activities, anything prohibited. The group, you definitely need to be cautious, and this is how I basically teach everybody in my team in general, and all people to go and bring value to the table first, right? Before start asking something or anything in beyond. So first go and provide some value, help them out, let them know that you are a digital marketer, let them know that you understand this niche, so that's why they can trust you, right? Again, as I mentioned, it's a good rule of thumb, if you go to Upwork and have a few projects completed before you start doing this, because you basically don't have a lot of experience. But if you do have experience, that's perfect, and just go and share everything you know. Nobody's gonna steal your work, nobody's gonna steal what you have in terms of skills, right? Nobody's gonna get this from you. So go and share, help out these people, and you will see how they start looking at you a different way. Another tactics, of course, is to let me go and see mine, and I don't know what's not. And yeah, so Once you join the groups, get inside, make connection. Don't be a weird person. I want you to feel like as if you're doing this, offline, somewhere personally, approaching people. So approach people only if you already help them. Approach people if you, people, and you say, hey, I can help you with this. Do you want me to DM you, or do you want me to help you further, something like that? Don't even mention DM you, but connect them after you help them immensely, right? After you help them a lot, and then you can connect them. Don't be weird in those connections. Most people, what they do is get into those groups. They start like 10, 20, 30 connections a day. This is their goal. Most of those people, they don't make a connection with you. They don't become friends with you. Even if they do, accept your invitation, then they are not responsive, and you're like, why they're not responsive? Why they accepted my invitation and they are not answering they're not responding to what I'm sending them, like asking them questions, and they're not responding to that. Don't expect them to answer your questions, even if they become your friend. This is unusual activity for Facebook, and this is unusual activity for the groups. You're quickly gonna find out that you'll be kicked out from groups. Facebook is going to give you warnings because there's unusual activities that I already mentioned. This is not good for you. So it's not a good practice to do that. Go inside, make connections, make friends, connect them after that. And after you connect them already, then you can say, hey, by the way, I did this and this. You wanna hop on a quick call to chat? It's a free strategy call. This is the best thing that you're gonna learn probably this year. So it's absolutely free, and it's gonna be very short, right? So people don't want to waste time with you or with anybody else in this matter, and they also don't want to pay a lot. They don't want any attachments, strings attached, right? They just need help, right? And you need to make sure that they understand that. Then you're going to start getting replies. After you start getting those replies, you need to know a few things. You need to describe their current situation, and then after that, ask them what are their current and not drawbacks, but what currently holds them, in this particular situation, and what will be dream, let's say 5-year or next 1 year goal in terms of in their business. Let's say what will be the revenue wise your goal, right? And then just close them, right? At the end, just hit them, make the connection between the desired state, the current situation, and their desired state, and then close the deal. So I'm gonna show. I already show you how to join some groups. You probably know that how to do it, but I'm gonna show you, for instance, in some groups. I joined this group. Also do this. Go to Freelance Jobs, that kind of groups. That's another thing. And people here, sharing, different jobs. Take those jobs. Take those jobs if you don't have any experience, because those might be most of them are trash, if you ask me, and most of them are not well paid, but will definitely give you some experience. Bad, good, whatever. Just take those jobs in order to gain some experience. We define ourselves by our failures and our successes. So go and see what's gonna happen. Of course, focus on the, let's say you're chasing freelancing in digital marketing. Stick to this. Don't go like, for instance, for high ticket disclosures or some or anything like that, which is not relevant to what you're trying to achieve. So go find a graphic designer. Right? You're not a graphic designer, or if you don't have the required skills, so don't apply for that kind of jobs or projects. So, and this is I think this particular, it's an international. So see, you can see people are offering rupees to give, offering dollars per hour for all kinds of jobs. So focus mostly on the media buyer hub. Let's say, for instance, in media buyer hub, join that kind of communities like-minded with you. If you're doing media buying, definitely that's a great club to be in. There are also jobs here. Once you provide value to those people as well, and you see in a short period of time, people will know that you understand a lot by explaining what's going on and how you can help them. And hey, can you share your, let's say, if that's not an agency, because most of them are agencies, so make sure that those are not, let's say, agencies. If you find their website and you make the first good impression, like express your experience and let them know that you can help them in a certain way, they'll definitely listen to you. You'll be definitely much more appealing than those people that they say interested, even though this is how it's commanded here in this specific post. PM'd you. I mean, this is very annoying, by the way. I mean, if somebody PMs you. SEA, there's one people needed media buyer for HVAC. I just showed you how to get your HVAC clients. So definitely do both at the same time. So try to find your own HVAC client, for instance, and at the same time get into another group where you can be their white labeling freelancer. You have two options, right? And even if one of them is just starting to plummet, right? The other one is going to save you somehow, right, in the future. So, and don't expect anything of this to be easy. Like I showed you how to create an Upwork account. I haven't shown you how to find clients. I will show you how to do that. I showed you how to create a LinkedIn account. Now I'm showing you how to find clients on Facebook. But don't expect this to happen like overnight. It took me 1 year to get my first client, and I had previous experience with my own stores. After selling a 6-figure store, I couldn't find a client for almost a year, and then everything started, like a snowball effect. So client after client after client. At a certain point, I couldn't take on more clients. Definitely, don't give up. If you see that it's not happening, then it's gonna happen soon. It's gonna happen soon, guys. So do both things. See, I mean, SMMA community, economic private university, and all kinds of like mention here. This one of the by the way course and experience in the field, and I highly recommend it. But yeah, this is what I wanted to show you and share with you. It's not a lot, right? It's not all, just focus on what's working, right? As usual, go first on groups that are within your niche. First, pick up a niche, then go and search groups within your niche. Then start making connections, relationships with certain people. Provide value in the group, and don't connecting with people, asking them for sending them friend requests before you even provide value upfront, and you stayed in the group with at least 1 month, because this is what it's seen by the moderators and all of these admins, and they see unusual activity, and that's not good for you. Second, go and join other groups like media buyers, or jobs for media buyers, or jobs for digital marketers, freelancing jobs, or whatever you wanna pursue, and then focus on that. And that I guarantee you that it is virtually impossible if you do have a Upwork account, if you do have a LinkedIn properly set up, as I have this in another video. If you are searching for a client this way, there's no possible way for you guys not to succeed if you do this in 6 months, 1 year. There's no possible way. I can assure you, right? You can do everything in between this. You can do another job. This could be your side hustle, but definitely you're gonna succeed if you're just following this. Thank you for everything, again, watching in this video as well. As always, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, the thumbs up, and everything and beyond. Comment below and let me know if you have your own way to outreach people and make them your potential clients, and then convert them into clients. Let me know if you have your own preferable way. If you have special tools that you use and help our small community here on YouTube.